My name's Daniel and I had an heart attack in space.
Hello, my name's Stacey. To do my picture I used white paint for the stars. Then I cut out some planet shapes and put them over the top.
Hello, my name is Ross. I've made my space picture by cutting out and sticking on planets which I colour with different shades of paint.
Oh, fantastic pictures. A sort of space attack. Now, if you get this just right, you can create the feeling that your picture is actually travelling through space. What you need is a big piece of black paper and some white poster paint, and I've mixed this in equal parts with some water, so I've just watered it down quite a bit. And to create my galaxy, I'm just dipping in a stiff bristled brush, or you can use an old toothbrush for this, because I'm going to create my planets with the spatter technique. Now, this is great fun to do. It's just a case of charging your brush up and flicking the paint onto your paper with a piece of card, or you can do it with your finger. And it's a good idea just to concentrate the spots in the middle of your picture. And then when you've done your space, just put it to one side to dry and create your planets. And the way to do that is just to draw some circles onto a piece of paper like that, and then brush on some water just across your planet or your moon, and then just liberally dab on some blotches of paint or even stripes of paint. You can do whatever colour you like, and then put that to one side to dry. And when it's dry, it'll look something like that. And when your space is dry, bring that back in. That's just a case of plopping your planets on top of your space. I've got some coloured ones here. As I say, you can use different colours. I just did a grey one for the moon. And it's a good idea to put the smaller ones in the middle of your picture. Again, it helps with that feeling of travelling through space. I think that'll do it. Now, as for the spaceship itself, what about using this stuff? Kitchen foil. After all, it has got a metal surface on it, just like a spaceship. And you can cut a curved strip to go onto the top of your space picture, like that, and a curved strip to go onto the bottom. Now, if you have trouble cutting curves out of tin foil, just draw it on first, maybe using your homemade compass. There it is. And then cut out two very thin strips to go across for the window struts. One there, and one probably there. And when everything is in position, just glue it down, and you'll have something that looks just like this. If you notice here, what I've done is I've actually stuck in some coloured bits of tape there, and I've even put in some detail using permanent marker, just for the controls of the spaceship. Try it yourself, a space attack, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!